Hello everyone. Hope everyone is safe and healthy during these tough times. So, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Kinshuk Srivastava. I'm 26 years old and I was born and brought up in Gorakhpur, a city in Uttar Pradesh. And currently, I am in Gorakhpur. I'm working in the IT sector in one of the MNCs in Gurgaon. Currently, I am in my hometown, Gorakhpur, doing work from home. So, before proceeding further, let me just give you a context of this video. I have recently published my first book, and this video is in collaboration with NEATEX. So, basically, NEATEX is a company that provides a platform to the new writers to promote their books. So, this video is a kind of collaboration with them. And in this video, I will be talking about various points related to my book, my own personal life, my literary experience, my literary journey, and I hope you will enjoy the video. So, I have a specific format, I have a list of bullet points, and I will just talk with respect to those. So, starting with the book. The name of the book is Delusional Horror. Let me first show you the cover. Let me show you the book before saying anything. This is the cover of the book, Delusional Horror. So, this book is a collection of 8 stories, 8 paranormal horror stories, with each story full of twists and turns. And there are various elements in this story, not only horror but thrill, suspense, drama, romance, everything. If you read the book, you will find all these elements in the book. So let me just read you the blurb of the book, that is the back cover. So this blurb is taken from some of the stories which are a part of this book. So I'll just read through the blurb. A village where the inhabitants are scared due to an alleged wild animal that brutally kills a person every month. But as the secret unfolds, it is revealed that it is not an animal behind this, but something else, which also has a strange connection with every full moon. The sweet home for the newly married couple turns into a nightmare, especially for Shikha, who feels a bit uneasy here. Things turn worse when she has to spend 3 nights alone in the house. The sound of footsteps on the stairs and the feeling of an unknown presence in the room freaks her out. The night is very long and deathly quiet, but the only chance of survival is hope. It was a usual night when Aman was about to return home when he saw a girl in red bridal attire outside his factory. He is attracted to her, but there is something strange about this girl. As Aman gets more and more attached to her, some weird events happen to which he couldn't find a logical explanation. But as he finds out the truth, he is shaken to the core. So this was the blurb of the book. If this has scared you, then I think my job is done. And you can just buy the book from Amazon. It's available on Amazon and Flipkart. So that was about the book and the promotion of the book. So that is done. And you can just read the book and decide by yourself. And all your feedback is warmly welcome. Now, one learning experience for me from this whole process of writing the book. So, during writing the book, I faced a lot of ups and downs. It was not a smooth ride, it was rather a roller coaster ride. तो बहुत सारे challenges थे, काफ़ी ups and downs थे. And sometimes I remember when I was writing my second story, it was the second story, that is not a part of the book. So I've written 2 pages and then I lost track of the plot. I was just stuck thinking how to proceed, how to make the story proceed further. I kept thinking and thinking for 2 months, but couldn't find the next, uh, you know, uh, the next series of dots to connect to the previous ones and continue the story. So I was disheartened, but I thought that maybe it's not a story that can be written. So I just discarded it and started thinking about new ideas. So the bottom line is that sometimes it happens that you have to, everything doesn't go perfect in the first go. So you have to just, you know, keep changing the ideas, especially in this creative field. You have to, you need to unlearn, you need to constantly brainstorm the ideas and decide what works best for you and what not. So sometimes I also face writer's block. Now, basically, writer's block is when you feel that you are just stuck in the middle and you're not able to write. So I just took a break, and sometimes it happens that the ideas come randomly when we are not thinking, and when we try to force ourselves into thinking of the story, then it does not happen. So in that way, I learned that basically consistency and patience is the key, because this whole process took 1.5 years for me to complete the book. So that was patience was required, and consistency in the sense that you don't have to leave uh, the thing in between, but you need to complete it no matter how well or how bad it goes. But the effort never goes into vain. You learn something or the other out of it. So that was one learning incident from this journey, which I am sure I will apply in my day-to-day life also. Now, my opinion on the changing worlds in literature. So, as you know, especially since the pandemic, the whole world has gone topsy-turvy, and the whole world has turned upside down in a kind of way. So, similar is the case with the literature also. So now, even before the pandemic, the bookstores have lost their significance. Although I wish that it does not happen, but the reality is that no one likes to go to bookstores to purchase the books. We just scroll through our mobile and just order the book. कोई भी book खरीदनी होती है तो we just go to Amazon or Flipkart, and we can order it comfortably sitting at our homes rather than uh, taking a taxi, going to the bookstore and purchasing it. तो वो वाले दिन खत्म हो गए, काफ़ी चेंज आ गया है, डिजिटल, दिस इज द डिजिटल एरा. So we have to keep this in mind, we have to accept this, and as an author also we have to uh, adopt to this change. And nowadays I feel that apart from writing your book, the marketing and promotion is also important, because this is a digital era, this is an era of social media. So marketing and promotion is also required, especially if you are not going with a traditional publisher. If you are going with a vanity publishing or you're self-publishing your book, then marketing and promotion is equally important. So I think this is a change in the world of literature which we need to adopt both as a reader as well as an author. Talking about me as a writer, I started writing at a very young age. Actually, I remember I wrote my first story when I was in class 7th. I wish I had kept it safely, but it's lost. I don't have it currently. So, as far as I can remember, it was a story about a king and his kingdom, and how he goes into the jungle and he fights a lion and something like that. A very childish story. Uh, Apart from that, I also used to write diaries whenever I went to trips. Like I went to Jammu, so for like 4 to 5 days along with my family. So I wrote a diary. Like just before going to bed, I used to write each and everything, whatever happened. Like starting from we had this breakfast, we went to this temple, then we came back. This was the weather. So basically, I maintained that diary. It is still with me, I think. I have kept it safely. So yeah, and after that, I think I got busy with my studies. As you know that once you go into higher classes, the pressure of studies increases. So I kind of did not get time, and my hobby subdued. वो थोड़ी सी दब गई जो writing की मेरी एक hobby थी. And then again, when I was in my final year of college, when I was finally placed in TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, and I was kind of free in my last days of college. So I started writing blog. I opened my blog on on Blogspot. So the handle is kinshukasrv.blogspot.com. You can go and check it out. I've written some of the articles, although I don't write much on blogs, but I've written, I think, close to 9 to 10 articles on that. And I also started writing on Quora since 2017. Now, if you don't know about Quora, Quora is basically a question answer site where people ask questions and people answer those questions. So you can both ask questions as well as answer any of the questions which you feel is related to your topic of interest or your topic of knowledge. So that is also a very enriching experience for me. I have learned from people's experiences around different topics like finance or IT or just life experiences from some wise elderly people. And I've also written many answers. Some of my answers got close to 50,000 views. Like I wrote one answer about how did I change my company, how did I switch my job profile. So like that, I have close to 6 lakh total views on my answers. So I am an active writer on Quora. If you are on Quora, you can just follow me there. And after that, I started writing my book in 2019. Yeah, it was 2019, December 2019. And I wrote my first story, Delusion, which is a part of this book. Delusion is the first story of this book. So after I wrote that book, till that time, I didn't have any plans that I will publish a book or I will, compile it in the form of book. I just wrote it. It came to my mind. I don't know why I chose this genre, horror genre. But I wrote that story, and after I got some positive feedback from my friends and relatives, I decided that let's write a few more stories and publish it in the form of book. I came across this Evans Pub Publications, that is kind of a vanity publishing company. So I chose them for publishing my book, and they did a really wonderful job. So it is not only due to my efforts, but also the efforts of the publishing company that this book is finally there. So once again, I'm so happy to hold this book in my hands. And trust me, it is the best feeling you can get when you hold your own book in your hands. So yeah, that was my. I hope you got a glimpse of my literary journey and my writing journey as an author. So I would like to conclude by thanking NEATEX for having me, for nominating me for the LitFest 2021, and for promoting my book, for promoting me as an author. And all the best to NEATEX. Now, I wish all the best to all the readers out there. Do read my book. Do read all the amazing books that are over there in India and abroad. And I would just like to conclude by quoting J.K. Rowling, a famous quote by J.K. Rowling. She says that if you don't like to read, you haven't found the right book yet. Just think about it. And I would like to sign off by asking you a question. What is the best thing about the books? What do you feel is the best thing about any book? Just pause this video and think about it. What, according to you, is the best thing about a book? Okay, now let me tell you my answer. The best thing about a book is that it lets you travel without moving your own feet. On that note, this is me, Kinshuk Srivastava, signing off.